How to detach the gimbal protector. Turn the aircraft over and place it upside down. Press down on the buckles. Lift the gimbal protector until the lower buckles are separated from the groove. Now the gimbal protector is detached from the aircraft. How to reattach the gimbal protector. Hold the gimbal and keep it facing horizontally forward. Slide the gimbal protector's grooved side under the gimbal and then push the cover inwards against the gimbal. After the lower buckles click into the groove, press the upper buckles into the groove. Now the gimbal protector is attached to your aircraft. Thank you for watching. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.